ceramic tile, scrub and seal.
S&M Cleaning, we make it shine. Nashville, Middle Tennessee, Metro Atlanta, we got you. Day's done and the dust still stays, call us and then we'll clean it all away. Office is shining, we lift that load. Medical clean rooms ready to go. Airbnb flip, yeah, we turn it fast. Family fun centers with a spotless path. Floor so fresh you can feel that gleam. S&M, we keep your business clean. S&M Cleaning, make it shine. From Nashville to Atlanta, anytime. Commercial spaces feel brand new. Yeah, we do the job right, that's what we do. S&M Cleaning, excellence shown. Every single place like a polished throne. When you need that touch, that's guaranteed. S&M is the team you need. Call S&M, the cleaners you can trust. From Tennessee to ATL, we make it shine. The S&M Cleaning, we make it shine. From Nashville to Atlanta, anytime. Commercial spaces feel brand new. Yeah, we do the job right, that's what we do. S&M Cleaning, excellence shown. Every single place like a polished throne. When you need that, we do the job right, that's what we do. S&M Cleaning, excellence shown. Every single place like a polished throne. When you need that touch, that's guaranteed. S&M is the team you need. Call S&M, the cleaners you can trust. From Tennessee to ATL, we make it shine.
Finished flooring, walkable in 2 hours.
The S&M Cleaning, we make it shine. From Nashville to Atlanta, anytime. Commercial spaces feel brand new. Yeah, we do the job right, that's what we do. S&M Cleaning, excellence shown. Every single place like a polished throne. When you need that touch, that's guaranteed. S&M is the team you need.